Part 2, the woods and the walk. Yeah, that's started then. So, going back then, bro. Be very wary of trolls exposing people. Bella! And what did he get off it? Apart from destroying groups or movements, if you want to call it a movement, a group, causing stuff. And then who benefits by them destroying it? And that's who they're fucking working for. The morts and the fuckers. Nordic fucking underpants, right wing movement, auditing world. Where are they all gone now, them fuckers? They destroyed the movement. Where are they? Nowhere to be seen. And it's got to be the same in this movement. All the people exposing people working for the government. And as soon as the groups are disbanded, then people, you won't see the fuckers again. Not even in any chats or anything. So predictable. Unbelievably predictable. Watched it happen in right wing movement, auditing world, and now forced adoption, save the children, whatever sort of name you're going to go under for your group. So if you're out there bus text, get back on fucking YouTube, fuck the haters. Fucking hell, man. Don't ruin your life to fucking suit haters. Fuck the haters. Everybody can see through them, apart from the thick cunts. And then you're not really fucking asked about anywhere, because they're thick cunts. Yeah, fuck the haters. Laugh at them As Mr. T says, I pity the fools, I pity the fools, I pity the haters, the exposers, fucking working for the agenda. And the agenda in this movement is to stop kids being abused. So they're working for the abusers. Shelley Mort and the rest. I don't get involved, but I do know good people when I see them. And I do know the fucking 77th Brigade when I see them. Or whatever fucking faction name you want to go under. Government agents. National provocateurs. Honestly. Up the hill. Yeah, can't wait to get to the thinking tree, sit down and smoke me doobie. I carried it all the way around. Spend a good few hours up here with dogs at so it was dusk or just after dusk, I don't mind. Fucking hell, that's a steep bit. Nose. Another boggy pond. Fucking love it. Every boggy pond there is. There's a spring somewhere at the top of this hill. That's there, whatever. Hey, couldn't clap it hill. You won't turn into a river. Cry me a river. Cry me a river. Another 5 minutes before. Sun coming down through Chem Cloud. Look at that murky fucking air shit. What are they spraying on us? They're spraying us like bugs. Fucking hell, wake up you thick fuckers and fucking smell the chemtrails, or don't smell the chemtrails, but fucking do something. Absolute fucking abhorrent. Fucking none of this before 1980. There weren't. I remember the first time a plane's tail didn't fucking disappear behind it. Either didn't have one or it disappeared behind it. And at fucking 2:30 at school in 1980 at break, a plane flew over and it didn't disappear. And then another one flew over, it didn't disappear. All of a sudden, certain planes, the tails didn't disappear. Fucking spraying on us. 3 months of lockdown, there were no fucking chemtrails because they weren't fucking flying, because all planes weren't flying. Spraying on us. Fuck's sake. I'm more remedial at school. Huh? I have more sense than you fucking supposed intelligent motherfucks. So what if I fucking swear? Honest. Fucking frank and honest. Motherfuckers. Motherfuckers. Oh! Wait! Wait! Gets any cunt about. This is my thinking tree. With my seat there. Big oak tree. It must have been squatty there with no trees around, and when they planted these trees, it started growing straight. But that is fucking, that's a few 100 years old, I'm telling you. Twisted oak. My thinking tree. Well, there's a feeling there's some fucker about. I'm gonna walk up with a dog. Woody! See a lot of shadow people up here, and at nights, with my camera, my stills, the orbs and the weird lights you get, it's unbelievable. Shit, unbelievable. Shit resolution, isn't it? Turn it off. Getting towards 15 minutes now. What you say? It's got to be under 15 minutes or they want to know who you fucking are. Why? Under 15 minutes, I don't need to know who you are.